I heard they're gonna let out cows here. Hey, have you ever went cow shipping? Yeah, have you ever went cow shipping?
Oh, yeah. I'm from Ohio, bro. I went push cows, man. I had fun.
Dude, I did too.
I was from Alabama. I went like this. There was 2 cows right here. I just drop kicked this one, and I got my momentum and pushed that one.
Yeah.
They both fell together, and their head blew up. Like their head just blew up. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that would be neat.
It was real neat. It was real neat. It was like standing on one foot while like flying. You know? Have you ever tried that?
I'm not for it. I got a bad left leg.
You stand on your right leg.
But it's all good. It's all good.
Best friend?
That's another hobo, dude.
Very much. Very much. I ain't gonna lie on that. Yeah, I'm drunk.
That's what this says everything. The cops pull them over. You're drunk. You're blood intoxication. Can't be doing that.
It's like, oops. Oops. Sorry, but.